Alright, so these are the first ones we got going here.
I'm worried about the cars a little bit. I had to make sure, you know, I've got issues. I've got a fountain.
And another one. That's not good. I got that a little too far in the ground. I was like, this could be bad.
I've got a fountain.
You got a fountain.
I've got a fountain.
Well, you can't see it. You just got to set it over there by that one and fire it up.
Okay, I'm going to use one of these sticks. Because I don't want to be close to this fountain.
That's probably smart.
It's windy. And there's bugs on my legs. You can't feel them. It's a light stick. That's it. Nice. But nice.
Set myself ablaze a little bit.
There we go. All right, where?
It's over here.
Oh, look how far I got.
Wave it. It'll go.
What?
Yeah, it's an incense. That's all it's supposed to do.
No, I mean like to light that.
Yeah, it'll work. Yeah, you just got to put it up against the wick.
I can't see it. Can you see it?
Right there. Up high.
Okay.
Right there. I think we need Beverly's assistance. Oh. There we go.
It's a fountain one. So don't be close to it.
Ooh, so pretty.
And I get the bugs away.
Yeah, that'll definitely keep the bugs away. What else we got here?
I can't see.
I can't see nothing either. You got the flashlight.
Little popper?
Yeah, go ahead. Fire it off. Open one of these. You just pull the string.
Oh, I just pulled the string.
Yep, you hold the plastic bottom
You
and
want to do it?
No.
Okay. You don't want to do it.
I'm gonna keep this on.
Nice.
Is that another one?
Friendship fountain.
friendship fountain.
Yeah, I got a friendship. What are the cones? I'm guessing you'd know. It's a world.
Oh, that's a big old. That's a big old. It
Yeah, we've
shoots
got
a bunch of stuff up.
those. Oh, this is sketchy.
I'm not fucking touching it. That's a you thing.
It's just like a little piece of
Why are we
wood.
holding things?
Get it up a little higher. Not in your face.
Well, I'm not trying to. There's always risks when playing with explosives.
Oh no, it's grass. No, I'm just crazy. There's no bugs. I'm just crazy. It's just grass.
Well, sit back here. There's like.
They don't like getting stuck in the ground. Whoa, that one made some noise. All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Let me know when you need the flashlight again.
I need the flashlight again.
You-
I can't see the wick.
I can't.
You're not gonna want to be close to this.
Nope.
You got a couple seconds to get away from it.
Fuck you, bugs.
Is that out of the box?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to get the very tip of the wick. Yeah, and that's gonna blow up.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a friendship fountain.
Oh, go ahead. That ain't gonna do that.
Well, I can't get it to light with this.
You can use a lighter.
You could.
It's supposed to be a friendship fountain.
Fountain of friendship.
Yeah. Well, that was a really sad
Oh, that was
friendship.
yeah, that was quick.
All right. You want to want to do a big one?
And you can, yeah, sure.
I'm not allowed to do the one.
All right, you set it up. I'll light it up.
Okay, Beth.
You still have a lighter?
Bugs off my arms, I really don't care.
Got it. All right, we're gonna do another one of these. The old-fashioned hillbilly way.
Have 911 on speed dial. Or fire department, kids with just a minute. Alright, so when I said big,
No bang.
I meant big.
You got some lights? Which big we gonna do?
So this is the stand it goes in.
See where y'all want it.
And yeah.
Do they all go? Oh no, they're all individuals.
Yeah.
Oh no, they all go at once. The wicks are all
do they?
connected. Yeah, the fuse is all connected, so they all go at once.
Okay.
Oh
It's
yeah.
a 6-pack.
Let's fire it up.
How do I do this?
No. They're individual.
Oh no, they're individuals.
Alright, do the red one first.
Red one first.
I like red. Wait, you need this.
This has got a huge fuse on it. That goes in the thing? Oh my. Oh, we're getting fancy today.
I know,
Oh Jesus.
The box is so big because it has its own shooter.
This is how it happened.
Yeah.
This is how the whole camp died.
And he's doing it. We're doing the red one.
And that goes in there like that.
Flashlight.
And you got the fuse over here. And you can see that there. Hopefully this goes well.
Yeah, she's
You ready?
right.
Yeah.
Here we go. Fire in the hole.
Oh, back. I have a genuine fear.
Me too. Very afraid right Wow. Those are good ones there, huh?
I was expecting you.
Holy shit. Oh yeah.
Geronimo!
All right. Put the next one in there. We'll hit this like a mortar fire team here. Here, I got flames.
We should stick this into the ground, I guess. My hand is shaking.
You got to get the orange part. There you go. All right, we're gonna do another one of these big ones.
Should we do?
Watch that with that damn thing. Don't light them off over here. Oh, I'll cry.
Should we do other ones and then continue on that?
Whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Quick and get them over with, then your noise ordinance isn't so bad.
All right.
Okay, then we do them all at once.
All right, so what's
Well, not
next?
at once,
Green,
obviously.
blue, green, something. So here we go. It's either blue or green.
He's got blue.
Blue. Told it's blue. All right, so that goes in the thing. Ka-donk.
It's not gonna be that bad.
And then,
I heard it already.
I also felt it.
Alright, we're playing a game. Don't forget.
all right, here we go.
He's gotta back up some more. Oh, that was pretty.
Boom.
So,
Neighbors are gonna love us.
Yep, love us. So much.
Reload.
Going forward.
I was trying to find another one. Oh, wait, okay.
You want to put them in there? You can put them in there.
No, I'm trying to find Popper, but she can't keep the flashlight.
All right, what color is this?
Probably the green.
Green.
Yeah.
All right, in the hole she goes. Fire in the hole!
Those are my favorite. I'm gonna let whatever this is.
Here you go.
We need to. I should probably learn what it does first. Before you. It's called
I think it's a
Milk-
sprayer.
It's Milkman. Beth,
Well, let's set it up over here and see what happens. There's cherries all over the yard.
Yeah, so all Black sheep.
All right, we'll just set it up over here.
All right, I'm gonna let you light it because I don't know what it does.
Okay.
I don't want to die.
Well.
I don't want to.
And here we go. No.
We're not sure. We're not sure. It's called Milkman Black Sheep.
It's all part of the plan.
Oh. What the hell? What?
Uh-oh. So that one blows up.
Well, we know what it does now.
That one blows up. You fire up some lights in here.
Ben.
Yeah.
Oh.
What am I checking on the grass for? Oh yeah, there's a couple hot ashes about.
Okay, we can keep an eye on it.
Well, I have been. There's some right there, and there's one right there, and
So, what are we setting up now?
there's a small crater in your yard.
It's not my fault. I didn't know Milkman would explode.
I didn't know either. These ones I'd know, Dill.
Snapper.
That's what that one was called.
It said with Milkman Black Sheep. So, yeah, I did. What do I do with snappers? You just throw them? Yeah.
Yeah. You can squeeze them in your fingers if you like. Yeah.
Mom said it blew up a cow. That's what the milkman does.
It sure did.
Actually, you said make one. Big one?
No.
Okay.
Not yet. I don't know what the hell. Okay. You can squeeze them in your fingers without repercussions.
I could throw it at this thing and nothing opens.
No, I wouldn't do that. What's that incense thing?
On the ground. Watch it.
I used to line them up and let the cars run them over.
I'm not gonna be an asshole. Okay.
Really?
Well, yeah,
Oh, we're in your fireworks now, aren't we?
a little bit.
Nice.
Oh, he's gonna blow up my tree.
Your what?
Your tree. Oh, okay. I'm a tree.
He's on the road.
He's throwing them on the road. There's a tree on the corner. Just throwing you down.
Okay.
What about soon?
It's another big one.
All right, another big one. Two big ones.
I'm not even sure what color it is. I didn't even bother to check.
You go forward just a little bit. Because then you can see them, cars are coming over. Run right off the road and go out of the hill.
I want to make sure it doesn't not can tilt over.
Oh, wait, there's a car coming.
Yeah, we know.
Right. So it doesn't matter. It would scare those cars.
Look out!
Hey, Daniel.
Yeah.
So once we're done, you should send me this video so I can send it to my friend that's in the UK.
Okay.
Also, look at this one. Looks like
Oh yeah, that one's gonna shoot.
we have a bunch of packets of these.
Okay.
Like I'm talking like a good 30 of them.
You gonna shoot them off?
How do I do that?
You
Stick on
hold
the
it.
ground and
You can, but they don't seem to go very far when you do that.
you want to hold it?
Sure. Here, you can light it.
I'm gonna light it in your hand.
Oh yeah.
Don't shoot it that way. You got 2 more big ones? 3 more, I think. Okay, you gotta get rid of them.
Hold it up here.
Okay.
You'll be just fine up here, and you'll have better control.
I don't see the better. Okay.
And away we go.
It's that quiet one. Oh, that one's pretty.
I like that one.
Random shoot off. Careful, don't
Don't die.
don't get it in your eyeballs.
Oh no.
Glasses.
I think they want us to do more big ones.
You want to do big one, huh?
Another big
Doing
one.
tiny ones.
You got 5 minutes to do your big ones.
All right, big ones it is.
Yeah, we got 2 more.
Orange and yellow.
2 orange.
Yeah.
Orange it be.
I'll hand you the yellow one next.
Okay. I want to borrow that incense. Well, I might have my lighter.
That's it, you grab? Yeah, I don't like it. You want me to give it to you?
Sure.
I'm giving him this. He can't light it without the lighter.
Can you stand back
Boom.
Here. Don't throw
I'm
that
not
in.
throwing it.
One more.
There's a car.
Load that bad boy in there. Set.
Don't try not to hit the tree.
Yeah, really. Says my homework.
I don't plug my
Boom.
So we've got this dude up one.
Shoo.
Mighty big boy.
Hot cherries all over the ground. They're everywhere. Setting to burn the forest down.
We got this one.
Yeah. Huh?
See Buddy's thing? I just don't want you to back up and trip on it. It's up here. It's closer to me. But you're running back.
We got that big
Okay.
one.
Well, that was the last of the big ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh
What
no.
we can do, or whatever that is.
Okay. I think
It says ripple.
ripple effect. Stand back.
It's got rainbow on it, so I think that means it's colors.
I don't know if we in the ground and run away. Who just whistles?
Oh boy. It's thinking, or we're about to all die.
I know, but we're not touching it for a moment.
Well, now what?
That one's busted.
Move over and set it on him.
We'll stand over here and launch some ones that fly.
Okay.
You take a stick. Pick one.
We've got,
We got a
lot.
pile of them.
Oh yes.
Can't see a damn thing. Huh?
Was that the big
You
one?
take this?
Yeah. We're gonna give it a minute and then see if it actually like is fucked up or something like that. I can't see. There it is.
On the road and throwing an 80 at it.
Woo!
Oi.
This one's pretty.
Smoky.
So these are our stick and runs.
Yeah.
Oh.
Our light and runs.
Roman candles?
Halfway. Halfway in the ground and run away.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we were told to do. Just to light it and run.
All right, well, you open them up.
I've got the
I'll take that.
the happy stick.
The happy stick.
Or the other one, it might actually catch that one on fire.
Is that what
'Cause
we
that's a
want
good
to do?
idea.
Well, it's still in the right position. It's not going to hurt anything.
Hey, Bob, you should come back here. No. Flashlight. You got the flashlight. Why don't you leave your phone over here?
That ain't going halfway in the ground.
No, it's not.
Oh, it ain't going around at all.
There's no stake or anything to it.
Did you get it? She said light it and run away.
Light it and run away.
This is a light and run, so probably out. Light and run.
How far away am I supposed to run?
I don't know.
It's very basic description. Oh.
Oh, it's in the ground.
Okay.
You're fine. Nothing's going to catch on fire.
They are what I think they are. Here, you take this.
Oh, okay. Don't get close. Let it go off first.
Get another one of them. All right, here.
Okay. You're gonna hold it?
Yeah.
You're gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Let me know when I'm actually on it. Can't see it. Oh, wait. There's a car.
It's all right. I go up.
I was told not to do it, but okay. They'll have a show. It's just not letting.
It will.
Oh, it did for spec.
All right.
Lighter.
Yep. It's in my pocket.
Is it? Here, give me that. It's not having it. It's
There you
not
go.
having it. All right. Kaboom!
Abacadabra! Stupefy! Anytime. Thank you.
I think there's 13 of those ones.
Oh boy. Don't aim for the power line.
Fuck them lights.
There's all this smoke and I don't have my fucking hair. I'm on my
He's dead.
You're right for it. I'm on.
Maybe get a chair so you can sit down without hurting your lungs.
No, I'm good.
Okay. You got
What are we lighting next?
Yeah.
I'm gonna save them.
I don't know. Bev has the flashlight. She's stubborn. Here,
Fire it up.
Listen.
how about you just like leave this here?
Well, I'll just stand here.
Well, this looks like a good candidate. Those look like good candidates as well.
What'd you pick up?
Another shooter.
It's a fountain. I think.
Yeah.
Hey, no, it's a parachute. But
Oh,
there's
it's a
no-
parachute.
So
It's
do
on
I
the side.
light
It's on the side here.
What?
Yeah.
How do I light that?
You just pull it out so it's sticking out the side. No,
Oh,
right
I
here.
was gonna untape it.
Yep, just like
So
that.
like that?
Yep.
And just.
But set it on the ground. Come on, flashlight.
Oh no. Okay. Okay.
There's a car.
That'll be all right.
Run!
Oh, there's a car coming. It's a Roman candle. Yeah, I bet that got
It's a Roman candle, isn't it?
It launched this parachute.
Tiny one?
Yeah, look. This parachute came out of it.
Oh! Oh!
I want that.
It's called a parachute because it launches one. I want one.
Oh, that's cool.
We've got a couple of those.
All right, somebody like this. Yeah.
Shout out the parachute.
That's so much easier to light with.
I gotta come over here because I can't stand in that.
Oh wow, that went far.
Neighbors are watching down over the hill.
They're loving it. Open one of these up.
Why don't we do it out of this?
Okay.
Because this is open?
Kinda.
Kind of. What do you mean kind of? It's open.
There's bricks of those.
What do I do with it?
Open, just keep opening it. Grab one of them packets.
These are the things we had already.
Uh-huh.
We picked them up and threw them.
Yeah.
We used to not untangle them and just light
Yep.
the whole thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
just
Light
light
it
it
and chuck it over there towards the thing.
You don't throw it in the grass.
It'll be all right. Oof. Keep the change. Nailed me.
Okay.
Those blow up.
We gotta be in the road. Oh, there's.
I'm gonna launch another one of these
Easier.
stingers. Yep. All right. Somebody light me.
Yeah.
Who's got fire?
I got it.
All
I
right.
got it. I mean, I got this, but
I kind of want to hold one, but I don't want to hurt myself. I don't think Mom would let me.
I'm gonna go off.
Does it hurt?
No.
What's in your hand?
Right there. I mean, that's a potential. I've knocked a couple hot cherries off me once already. But as soon as you see it flare up like that, you just really loosen up your grip, and it's.
We don't let the shaky girl do it, at least not at a house.
All right.
I'm not shaky.
Here you go. This looks like a good one.
I'm putting the trash away.
This looks like a real good one. What do you think?
Other trash in the
What is
yard.
it?
Huh?
It's another fountain. Golden flower. What's that? That's a cone that I didn't know what to do with.
Well, let's do this.
Okay.
I'm picking up the trash.
Yeah. I got one right here. If I could have a lighter, please. Oh, it fell over. Wow, this is going to be interesting. Let's go for the crater we made with the milkman.
As long as you do, keep it from this bed. I want to live. Thanks.
Probably.
Can I move?
I don't know. I'm gonna.
Okay, no, fine.
Whee!
You want us to just go look at it?
We just sit here and throw little firecrackers at it. America.
I want to do the golden flower one.
All right.
Like one of those firecrackers on the Roman candle. It'll go off.
Here, I got it. It's in my hand.
Just sit here and shoot the bottle rockets at it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We got
Golden flower. Fountain.
golden fountain.
Flower.
Lighter?
Later. Over here's the, right here's a good divot. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's up here. Right here. A good divot there.
We did. No, it's too big.
That's where the milkman went.
It's too tiny.
Now you want to try and get her? There you go. Golden shower. It would have been a good one to light and stick in the Roman candle.
You could just put one in there far away.
You got any lighter fluid?
No.
Oh, okay.
These are tiny.
They look like fun. Let's do that.
I think these are the same thing.
I think so too.
But we have a lot of them.
Yeah.
That's all the more reason to fire them suckers off.
Huh?
Yep.
No, they're different. We've got a bunch.
We can only do one of these at a time because these are launchers.
I know. I'm just like looking at them and how different all of it.
If you grab some sort of
Oh my gosh.
firing
Look at that.
device, you can light this.
All of those are launchers.
Jesus Christ. You have fun with that. I'm gonna.
Oh, that was tiny though.
Jeez.
Boom. Scared the shit out of me. Let's do more of those. Those are fun.
There's these ones.
Yeah, let's do those. Those are fun.
Okay.
They make a lot of noise. All right. Yeah.
Another one.
There it goes.
Loaded.
Oh, look.
You're gonna burn your shirt.
Yeah.
I got you.
Screaming memes.
Here. Another one.
We got, oh yeah.
I was gonna say,
We got two. We got
bunch of them.
3 more? 3 more.
And then we'll do whatever
Three
this
more.
one is next.
Uh-oh.
It's got a butterfly on it.
3 more. Nice. No. You were the second off. Here, have another one.
No, let's do this one
All right.
first.
Okay.
It's a different one. It's got flowers on it, but it's still the same kind of like launcher. Butterflies.
Butterflies.
Yeah.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, we're going to figure out why it's got butterflies on it. All right.
Butterflies for you, Grimm. Uh-oh. We might burn that tree down, though. Ouch! I'm on fire over here. Jesus.
Yeah, so Ben's got those ones, and then I've got a huge pack of
Oh, my.
3-peak rocket.
Sounds fun. 3-peak rocket.
There's a divot in the stick, by the way, so be careful. Don't want to get a. I want to get you some pain. This is a different one.
Ooh, nice.
Alright. This is gonna move. So I hurt myself.
Aim higher.
It's just falling apart.
That. Just hold on
Can I
to it
like
for a
let
second.
it out? What is that?
It
Why
blows
are you
up.
lighting it in my hand? How about? We're gonna have fun with it. Have fun with it. Oh, the color. Oh, there's no color. I'm crazy.
All right, let's blow more stuff up.
I need to do something with this. Can we like
You want me to hold on to it? Yeah.
burn it out?
Yeah, just put it
Or
out.
something like that? How?
Put it in the ground. Hot side down. Yeah,
Ow.
pretty close.
There. That suck. Ow, it hit
We have
me.
more.
Come.
Yeah, it's a little one. We'll set it over there. It's a wee one. Here's our crater.
I hear a car, but I don't see a car.
Right there.
The tape's stuck with it though. I can't get it out.
That's all right. Just lift the little tip up.
Should I just learn that?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I'm gonna get this in my face.
Might take a step back.
My face was directly above it.
Oh, that's cute. That was cute.
No, that was little.
It definitely was little.
Okay, this one is trash.
We should learn what this is because this looks huge. Bev,
Oh yeah.
my fault.
Oh yeah.
We need to take this off to light it though because it's fully in the tape.
Yeah. Peel that bad boy up like that and then light that side. She'll light. All right.
That should be done.
Back over here to our divot.
We should probably throw this divot in.
Well, that's what the milkman did.
I know, we didn't know the milkman.
Oh, you gotta point it the other way. That'd be bad.
We didn't know the milkman. No, where is it? No.
Yeah, right there.
Ooh, I
You want me to do it?
lit myself on fire.
You wanna come around this side?
What's this one?
I don't know.
I think it's a fountain.
big.
It's big.
There you go.
That's Mario.
Oh, there's the screaming Mimis. I know, but it's fun. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Angry.
For democracy.
I'm actually so glad it came. I wasn't going to. I think it's already launched everything.
No, there's
All those
well, we need another one of these Roman candles.
4 sticks.
Light one of those and light one of these, and everybody will have a horrible time.
Everyone will have a horrible time.
Do I throw this on the road instead?
Just chuck it out here. Because they go off for a minute. If a car wrecks, because you threw fireworks at it, you're going to be in trouble. Oh boy. Look out.
It just pops, I promise. Alright, that's it.
Go wait.
Car.
I can't fucking do it.
Caitlin's the car right now.
Caitlin's the car. For the safety of all, we will take a pause.
Oh, what?
What you talking?
Jumping jack.
Those are blows. They blow up.
It's the same thing.
They're fun.
So you gotta light it, throw it.
Yeah. Light it, chuck it quickly.
Caitlin gets back to the car.
She's way over there. If you chuck it over there, she'll be all right.
Should I do it in the road?
Well, no, just chuck it over there toward the corner of the yard. Quickly, though.
Jesus. You didn't warn Caitlin.
Sorry.
Well, we threw it over there. Sorry.
Yeah, it was over at the road.
I know, but she should still know.
Well, that's fair. Apologies.
We've got a lot of handheld ones. We've got a lot of the explosives. We got a lot of those guys.
And we have more in here, don't we?
Oh, and we got a lot of sparklers.
Yeah, sure. Give me one.
Huh?
I want one.
Game on.
Sparklers.
Game on.
Right? I'll light mine, and then you light yours.
Here,
and
let's
mine.
steal the.
Oh boy, okay. Wait, 3 and 1?
No, mine's too dangerous.
Mine won't light fast enough. Alright. Wait, in your hand?
Yeah. It's okay.
It's me. Oh, my hand's too shaky.
Wait, look up. The light is just getting hot.
Yeah, not if you're standing at the. Not if you're the person it's pointed at. They're a lot of fun.
There it is.
Have you, Caitlin?
Ha ha.
There's bugs all over my legs.
My legs. What are we firing up next? Guess one of these, huh?
Yeah.
Is it more butterflies? Yeah, it's more butterflies.
She took the ones that you lighted that went poof. These ones. That screams.
The screamers, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Then we've got 2 more single day something.
No.
You can do it.
If you want to.
Awesome. Friendship. Woo!
That's not friendship, that's butterfly.
I know. That goes so far.
Here's a. I don't want to leave it on the.
Just put it on-
Those videos are really cool when it's like launching out the front of my camera. I think we should do another one of them screamers.
We've got another another big one too.
There's a couple of fountains.
Yeah. Screamer.
Oh, yeah.
Screamer. I'm gonna cover this because we don't need it no more. Y'all get the later.
Wait.
Oh, car.
Car. Flashlight?
Are you coming back through?
No, she's going.
Sorry, I thought he was lighting it.
Have a good night.
Then lit while he was lighting it.
We have.
Oh. Well, that's fair.
All right.
one.
Well,
No,
there's 3 boxes.
no.
Oh, yeah.
Did you warn her?
The sparklers.
Fucking sparkler. Sorry.
That's a discouraging word, my aunt would used to say. Those are, uh-oh. You gotta be careful dropping that stuff over the, that'd have been bad.
Other.
Yeah.
One didn't lie.
The other 3 did though.
That was the one I was supposed to hand to Bev.
That's the power of the sparklers.
This one I was supposed to hand to Bev.
I think I got my screen a little funky here.
Trying to figure out how to get over that.
Oh yeah, that's better. Got some
Here, Bev.
firework residue. What?
I did.
Where's the cat? She had them in her car window and they melted.
That was too important. I'm sorry.
That's terrible.
Promise I did not just like
I have to make you some more.
Y'all want some sparklers?
Sparklers.
Y'all want some sparklers?
Sparklers.
Okay, I've got 3 boxes.
3 boxes?
Light them up and stick them in the thing of the thing.
All right, well, fuck.
Well, we gotta wait for Caitlin.
I'll with Caitlin. So I just light this box.
Let me see one of them.
There's another box.
Don't light them over these though.
No. Jesus Christ. Relax.
Come with me, flashlight.
I did that earlier.
Come here. Well, let's hope that, see what that does.
You have fun with that.
You got the flare?
I got it. Hold on. Let this go out. I'm like Caitlin run around.
Wait, Katie's turning around.
We know.
Okay.
You want to light your cigarette?
Please.
Ah! Cigarette lit.
Then I recommend everybody wants to have a way.
Yeah, I'm on that one.
Well, yeah, let me borrow that for a second. All right. So we jammed a sparkler in here upside down in hopes that when the sparkles get to the very end, we will have some form of show.
Don't look at him.
I don't know if it'll work or not. I'd imagine it will.
I imagine a bunch goes off at the same time.
What if it doesn't? Oh,
It's likely gonna. Yep, there it goes. Ta-da!
If it hits me, we're more fun because I've got the rest of them.
No effort! Oh my God, the smoke on that one is just wafting in my general direction. That's it? I paid $8 for that?
Well, I need a one to go.
Another one.
Warning!
Warning!
The warning is the whistle.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm afraid of. That's the problem.
You want to set the fountains off?
Hey,
Island.
hey,
Yeah.
hey. Warning.
He gave us warning.
Yeah, it's just the screeching ones I don't.
Just another screeching one. Oh no.
Trying to not leave me.
Well, we have to clean that one over there too.
There we go. Look, now they're all evenly distributed.
I see this.
We've got a comb
I see this.
And more fountains.
and a bunch of launchers and a big boy
We love the big boy.
and a
is
whole
this?
box of sparklers.
Warning.
2 whole boxes.
Jesus. How about you ask for a lighter? Jesus.
Alright, let's do this thing.
Okay.
Where's the lighter?
You had it.
You had it?
Nope, I have it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think I gave it to you.
Here you go. Right there's the crater.
I almost tripped.
It's a wee. Oh, it looks like. I think you gotta tilt it the other way. You gotta make it go the other way.
Look at that.
There you go.
My phone's going off. I'm getting notifications as we do this.
Boom. It's not a fountain.
No, I've got multiple of those though. I got 2 more of those. So should we do them because they're very
Sure.
loud? What if we do both? No, we could.
You can if you can get the wicks close. One wick might light the other.
Okay.
Push them together.
Yeah.
Flashlight.
He's about to die.
He's gonna sit down. I can't. 'cause
Warning.
there's different ends.
Serious.
He's been doing that this whole time. I'm the one with the lighter. So here's the thing though. Okay, flashlight, please. Hold on. Hold on. Here's the problem with what she said. We've got the wick down here. We've got the
No,
wick
you're gonna
up
have to
here.
do them individually.
Yeah, because
They're 2 different ones. This one's a fountain. That one probably launches.
Not a sorted fountain.
Okay.
This is the parachute.
Okay. That one goes choo and drops the parachute guy.
That actually is one of the ones I just lit. So
It's a parachute
who knows
somewhere.
where that parachute is? My face is in. I don't enjoy that. Parachute!
Whee!
Right there. No, maybe I'll do
Just landed out on the road. I heard it thunk.
Set fireworks up on some random Tuesday.
Oh, you need more.
Huh?
You need lights.
No.
Woo! I had one more in my hand. This one's a sorted fountain. You think if I sit down and shoot one in my hand that'll hurt me?
Those? No.
No, like the way you're doing it.
One of these?
Yeah.
No. I mean, it can.
Woo! Alright. Because that's what we got left, shooters.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all we got.
And a bunch ton. Oh, well, no, we still got one big one. And sparklers.
Through it, right?
Yeah. I heard it like it stopped and then it started again and I was like, okay, time to go.
Yeah, we also got those. We got a ton of those, don't we?
So
Oh, my face.
We got some of these.
I bet you could use this mortar to launch them. Just fine, actually. You can hold this. I'll hold it and you can set them in there and light it. You know what you might be able to do?
Oh, there's a zippy one.
That is not what I thought it was.
Was that a spinny one?
We have a whole pack of them, relax.
So jumping jacks. They got it, yeah.
They were on the road, just not the right road. Yeah, I got that.
What are we setting off from there?
The launcher.
Yeah.
Not to sit in dog shit.
Yeah.
I want to throw this for her. Please. So,
This ought to be interesting. You're good.
you want to light it on the ground?
What in the? No!
Oh, hell yeah!
I'm gonna die. I'm fucking leaving, bitch.
Nah, you're all right.
Oh, we're not doing them all at once?
We can try.
Okay.
Put them all back in there. I'll hold it.
Okay.
I'll sit right here. Because I ain't getting any closer than this. Yes.
Okay, which one do I light?
Just light the closest one.
I'm not a dumbass.
How do you light them all?
Because we're crazy.
Hey! Woo! Just one?
No.
Another one.
Nope, there's another.
Only 2 lit.
Yeah. Hit him again.
Yeah, you have to twist the ends together.
You can't. They're not long enough.
They're not long enough.
They're not long enough. They're like tiny.
Oh.
Ooh. Here, we'll just. Don't hurt myself here. Trying to find one.
There's one right there on the outside there.
Where? This?
Yeah.
Try a rubber band for that. Why don't you taste down?
Give it a shake.
You're having fun.
No, there's one. It's kind of
There's like 2 more.
It's a little lit. Watch your face.
That was my bad. I think I
No,
split the
you can
paper.
still hit it.
I don't know if that helps, but
Well, I'll let it get hot. Obviously. Got it! Meow!
oh shit. Oh, that's not that bad. I thought that was such a
That one hit a curve. Well, let's do it again. There's a bunch more over them.
It tastes smoke Taylor.
Delicious.
How's it taste?
Like freedom.
See, they've got like, you gotta take the tape off.
Yeah. Go
So
ahead.
here's this. I'm gonna light more of these for her.
Like more of what?
The jumpy ones.
Oh, yeah. I want to see those.
You gotta light it and throw it. You can
Over to the road.
I was asking her if she wants to light it.
Yeah.
She does not.
Why?
I don't know. I don't trust that. I don't trust that.
Don't be scared. It's only explosives. Behind you.